So we're at 4075 Anvil Drive. So it's just a few minutes from where the Lorson Ranch area is. A little bit older neighborhood, nice mature trees. It's pretty decent though, a lot of newer cars and campers and trailers and things like that. So you get an idea of the neighborhood. It does have like a large secondary gated section. Looks like some concrete. We'll see when we go in the backyard. Some additional parking. This big tree in the front. Does have a gate as well on that side. It's got nice laminate floor. It's got a coat closet. This, I imagine, is their garage. Yep. Standard 2-car with some overhead storage. Let's do wide angle here. Okay, so they've got this set up like the living room. We've got a kitchen, even kitchen style, nice tile. Granite countertops, white cabinets. I'll give you an idea of space here. So this is what you call split level. So you come in on one level, then you've got a couple stairs, and you'll see this as a family room a lot of the times too. They've got it set up like an office. Lots of light in here. A couple windows into the backyard. Okay. Okay, we'll do basement next here. Let's keep on this level. Got a linen closet. A small bedroom, maybe 10 by 10. Let's have some carpet staining there and some need for maybe some touch-up paint. Very big, I can't get in there, but very standard, it looks like, closet. Looks like an updated bathroom, nice tile. Definitely newer vanity, toilet, and a standing shower. Just need a little bit of touch-up paint though. It doesn't look like the doors have been painted. All right, so since we're here, we're gonna go downstairs. Nice wood flooring on the stairs and down here. So now you've got another family space. Looks like the sprinkler timer is here. Irrigation. Just your egress window well into the backyard. Just a little bit of paint touch up. Floor looks like it moved a little bit. It's not perfect. Sorry, I can't get into there. Oh, it's just utility. Saw the water heaters there. Looks like a water softener as well as the furnace. So this is kind of an interesting space. This usually looks like it was an office. I don't I see plumbing, so I'm not sure if it can be a bathroom. It's kind of like a little bonus room. And then laundry utilities here. So this just goes around. Let's go upstairs here. All right, so up, you've got, looks like this will be set up as the master. Looks like they're working on some painting. See some painter's tape around, but closets. Pretty good size. Oh, sorry, they've got lots of stuff, but. And there's a door into the bathroom up here. So it looks like the master bath setup is kind of shared with the other bedroom up here. Nice oversized tub, shower, nice tile. Okay. This looks down into the main area. And you've got another bedroom up here. It's a little bit smaller, so yeah, the other one's definitely the master closet without the doors. And basically the backyard, and that's it. Let's go check it out. It's got French doors in the back. Good amount of concrete. Smaller yard. Fence looks like it's been painted a couple times at one point. It's super large. I don't know if he was doing a garage or just had, maybe it looks like a camper. Let's put my money on that, huh? Yeah, cute little place. Just more space on your side right there. All right, one more.